The state Supreme Court temporarily blocks the new social studies standards from going into effect. The lawsuit was filed by a group of Oklahomans back in July, accusing those new standards of exclusively promoting Christianity to students. Our Capitol reporter Haley Hedrick joining us now live from the newsroom with the new guidance from justices.
Well, Carl, as the lawsuit continues to play out, state Supreme Court justices are telling schools to rely on the 2019 standards, so essentially continue with business as usual. The plaintiffs said in a joint statement this is a victory for transparency, fairness, and the constitutional rights of all Oklahomans. Earlier this year, the State Board of Education and later lawmakers approved these new social studies standards to include dozens of Bible references, asking students to identify a Chinese lab as the source of COVID-19 and to identify discrepancies in the 2020 election results. Those standards include something Republican lawmakers were overwhelmingly in favor of during this past legislative session.
There was unquestionably high election turnout in the 2020 election, and I think that students should be challenged to think critically about that particular election and what led to that high turnout, as well as all the reforms that you saw states pass in the wake of that.
State Superintendent Ryan Walters said in a statement, Christianity, American exceptionalism, and conservative values are under attack, and the Oklahoma Supreme Court is leading the assault. Now, the 2019 standards that the court is telling districts to rely on right now includes an 86-page in-depth curriculum guide for students pre-K through 12th grade. Carl?
All right, Haley, and we also heard from Superintendent Ryan Walters yesterday. He requested all Oklahoma schools hold a moment of silence for Charlie Kirk today at noon. How did districts respond today?
Well, most districts here in the metro let parents know that they already have a state-mandated moment of silence every day, and for that reason they would not be adding another one. The law there requires schools provide an opportunity daily for students to meditate, pray, or engage in any other silent activity. Carl?
All right, Haley. And our Jordan Fremstead is talking with local districts to get their thoughts on the blocked social studies standards. He'll have more details tonight right here at 10 o'clock.